Welcome to the Quality Lab of ProsperTech Machine and Tool. We were really excited to be able to add this lab as the demands have increased from our customers, and after we reached AS9100 certification, we realized we needed a dedicated space so that we could make sure that our customers' products did not leave until they were quality checked. Whether it's through the CMM, the optical comparator, or even gauging, we check everything to make sure that it is exactly what the customer is expecting. AS9100 was a rigorous process. Early in 2020, we received this certification. And any of you that have a quality certification knows that that is no easy task to receive this. We continually improve. In fact, we added a quality manager to our staff recently as well to make sure that we're delivering what we need to deliver to our customers. If this is a service that your company doesn't have, we can also help you out as well. Give us a call, talk to our quality manager, see how we can help you out, provide the reports that you need to provide to your customers. If it's a first article test or just an inspection report, we can do it all for you as well.